This lead vocal mix in this project that I have done previously, and I've shown you these plugins and I explained what they do. I wanna use a Analog Obsession plugin here. It is full tube simulation and it has a great body and warmth to it. I'm trying to pull this vocal toward listener, and this plugin will help me do it. As you know, Analog Obsession is free. They have a Patreon page or channel, what they call Patreon accounts. I don't know, who cares? They have a place in Patreon and you can support them there. They design really good plugins, even the old versions, 2022 or 2023 versions are still great, but they are updating. So the plugin that I'm trying to find, it is VariMoon. I disabled this reverb because reverb always makes you hear weird compression qualities. It's better to keep the vocal raw when we are compressing and trying to understand how it affects our mix or our vocal in this specific case. So
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go.
It is well processed, but I'm trying to add warmth and tube control on this audio material.
Keep me.
So there is a guide here written on the compressor's body that says the positions, attack and release time. So I want to keep it on 5. I don't wanna have low attack time, and this is good.
Keep me in your line.
Okay, this is the compression ratio. Let's keep it in a low amount, 2.5 to 1.
Keep me in your line.
It is deactivated, but
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Keep me in your line of sight.
you can feel the body already here. It's not even made up, and I will make it up now to keep it in unity gain.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till keep me in. Keep me in your line of sight. Keep me in your line of sight.
It's doing a little bit of leveling too, and it's keeping vocal constant. It has done a great job here, but the target of using this compressor is to adding warmth, as it is adding a explosive quality to lower frequencies. It's excited and it is punchier, stronger.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze, keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze.
You can already hear that lower warmth and punch. It's good. Let's check on the mix.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer till you're kissable. Got you in my heart, peripheral.
It is actually pulled a little bit closer toward the listener. It needs more makeup gain, and let's check again.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
Lovely, it's great. Let's check other attack and release times.
Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
It's better, I will keep it here. I don't know why, but in this plugin, position 2 and position 3 are usually my go-to positions. I start with auto, but I return to 2 and 3. Autos are pretty smart. I'm not saying they sound bad, but it's my taste of audio.
Keep me in your line of sight. Keep me in your line of sight. Keep me in your line of sight. Squeeze me, go on. Keep.
It has excited the vocal and added great audio qualities to it, the ones that we seek on analog plugins.
Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Close.
The S part is important when we are talking about full tube compressors,
Squeeze me, go on, hold me tight. Close.
because they will have affected. They will be affected. Sorry.
Closer to your kissable. Closer to your kissable. Closer to your kissable. Closer to your kissable.
It is enhanced. The S part is enhanced. At the same time, it is controlled. It's leveled. It has a constant amount of S. It's not going higher than any specific whatever. It's not going lower than it. It is tamed and it sounds great. Excited, tamed, amazing. These full tube compressors, it is a single band compressor, but they work on different frequency ranges with different personality. So they have their own specific character and they add it to your mix. What was its name? VariMoon is one of the great examples of full tube compressor simulations. It really sounds good. Actually, each and every plugin from Analog Obsession sounds good and they are premium. They have premium quality, but they are free and they sound amazing. Of course, you can always support them on Patreon page, account. I don't know. There, in the Patreon. Go check there. Okay, so with reverb, let's check with reverb.
Closer to your kissable.
Oh, let me say this too. The vocal has more obvious details, so details are boosted and enhanced in the vocal. Whichever plugin that manipulates S part or high frequency part, it has effect, negative or positive effect on the way details are being heard. So this plugin is taming and exciting higher frequencies. The details would be boosted too. So with reverb,
Closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart. Closer to your kissable. Got you in my heart's peripheral.
lovely. It's done. We have reached this video's end too. My friends, the analog simulation domain is pretty amazing. It's really lovely. I have spent the last decade of my life on studying and testing these plugins. I removed most of them. I have used Waves plugins or Softtube or whatever company that comes to your mind. Acoustica, and at the end, there is nothing but wonder. They are well designed and they have great audio target, great audio purpose. Every time that I'm showing you how a plugin works, I feel joy inside of me. It's exciting for me. I really love this job. I am composer, mixing and mastering engineer, and beatmaker, and producer when I'm in the mood. And I have produced lots of songs with great amount of views or appreciations, whatever is the value of a great song. And the plugins never stop to wonder me. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.